एंड वेलकम बैक। थैंक यू अगेन फॉर वाचिंग संडे ब्रंच विद लुबना। और आप हमें कॉल भी कर सकते हैं, आप नंबर भी देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे। इट इज़ 855-886-6387 extension 4. Again, the extension is very important that if you want to be a part of the show. अभी हम बात कर रहे थे रिलेशनशिप्स की बात हमने की, हमने खाने की बात की, कुछ एडवाइस भी दी आप लोगों को सहरी इफ्तारी के लिए। एंड नाउ वक्त आ गया है जहाँ पे हम एक टॉपिक भी लेके आते हैं। दोज ऑफ यू दैट नो मी बाय नाउ जान गए होंगे कि लुबना होगी तो टॉपिक होगा। एंड द रीज़न व्हाई आई डू दैट इज़ बिकॉज यू नो being on TV, especially with TV1, which is right now being televised throughout the US and Canada, and you know, if you have a platform like this, you should use it wisely, where you can spread the word. Many times, these topics that I discuss, I feel sometimes we are doing things unintentionally. We are doing wrong. We have no idea that we are doing this, but when we hear about it, when we talk about it, then we're like, oh my God, you know, I was doing this wrong. It's kind of like gives you it makes you reflect on yourself. So today's topic is about family time, and I know it's Ramzan, which I think is a wonderful way to definitely spend some family time. So I want to discuss with you guys. Do you guys think it's important to spend family time together? What are your thoughts?
Well, yeah. I mean, I feel like based on some of the recipes and things you were talking about earlier, I feel like, you know, sehri time, iftari time are wonderful times for families to spend together. You know, when you get the children involved and helping doing preparing something, it's one, you know, food always brings people together.
Food always brings,
you know, food really does.
Even if you're mad, you'll still go
because you want to eat, you know. So
Exactly.
it's this time that's built in to have people and people together.
Exactly.
The other thing is also, Ramzan is a time to, you know, obviously we're trying to do more worship, we're trying to do more, you know, prayers or read more Quran or whatever.
Right.
You know, try to do some of that with people in your family. You know, if you usually don't pray in Jamaat, pray in Jamaat. You know,
Exactly.
if you usually don't do things.
You know, I think it's such a beautiful thing to do, because I think, and I talked about this last week when I did the show. It was the day before Ramzan. So I talked about, you know, things, what you can do in your home to make that environment. Of course, there is the religious aspect, but besides that, to make that environment for your children. And I actually had said this, you know, when you're sitting at Sehri, when you're sitting at iftar time, don't be sitting there with your phones. Don't be sitting there with your iPads.
Absolutely.
Put those things away. Because I think it's a time, like we were saying, like you said also, it's a time when we can try to do things good, where we can try to better ourselves. And hopefully when you do it at Ramzan, you'll do it throughout the year. But I think even for the children, you know, and you know, and when I say we, I'm not just talking about myself, I'm sure a lot of you do this, that we tend to tell the children, you know, ye karna, wo karna. But as parents, we have to be doing that too. What do you think, Khadija?
No, I agree with you. Like, you know, let me share you again my experience. Like,
Right,
you know, the last night, we had my daughter's graduation party at home. So initially, you know, me and my decided, like, since all the family it was like a pure family event, right? Because my daughter will be going away, so this is a good time. She should know all the immediate family members, so she can have a close bonding, right?
Exactly.
So we started creating the menu. So my daughter said, no, I don't want any desi, I just want different. I said, okay, what do you need? So she said, no, I want something Mexican which I can eat. It's my party. I said, all right, we're going to do. I said, Rabia, you have to do one thing, like, you know, you cannot depend on me. But no, Mama, I'll be with you all the time. I'll be you. And guess what? She was with me from the beginning to the end, 2 days preparation.
Wow.
Least cell phone involvement. She was with me. So you are so right. Like, you know, the food and the family discussion brings the family together,
Right,
like
exactly.
a more bonding.
Exactly.
So you cannot say, like, okay, today's a family time. You have to create the situation.
You have to create that, of course.
So I would say, yes, like a family time is really important.
Exactly.
So as a parent, I mean, your job is there, how to create that environment to bring everybody together.
Everybody together.
And the food was just the theme. But trust me, the food was her choice. She was paying 100% attention.
Of course.
That
When there's an interest, then obviously they become more involved.
So as a parent, we have to create a point of interest. We cannot say, okay, this is a family time, all cell phones away.
Right.
Well, that's never
you have
going to do it.
That's another thing is that I've seen work really well is during iftar time, you know, of course we hear our parents say, oh, dua ka waqt hai, dua ka waqt hai, like right before you break your fast. And one thing that's really beautiful to do with your kids is tell them to make like a group dua, like say your duas out loud. Like
Right,
it's very interesting to find out what your kids are making dua for.
Right, they're
Very
probably-
interesting, you know.
Exactly,
And
when you hear them.
you would be surprised. It's endearing that sometimes they'll make dua for somebody, you know,
Right.
your parent or your aunt or uncle, and you didn't know that they had such an impact on them,
On
you know.
that
And it's
person,
really
of
beautiful.
course,
Sometimes
of
the things, of
course.
course, sometimes you'll get the iPads and the
Of course, we'll get those
a
things
new
in
game.
too. And
But,
and and I think what you're saying, I think it makes so much sense, because the thing is, and again, I'm not going to get too much into religion, but the thing is this, being brought up here in the U.S., I think for me, when I was younger and where we lived in Long Island was an all Jewish neighborhood, and I'm talking about like the pure Jewish people in our neighborhood. We were the only Muslim family back then, so it was very different. And I think now when we ask the kids different things, when we talk to the kids, I think we should get their angles too.
Absolutely.
So anyway, we got to take a break. Time is just running by so quickly today. आप लोग कहीं मत जाइएगा, छोटी सी ब्रेक लेते हैं और अभी आए.